The 2026 Mercedes-AMG GT in this stunning white finish is a masterpiece of design, engineering, and performance, a car that redefines what it means to drive a luxury sports coupe. As soon as you lay eyes on it, the sleek, sculpted bodywork commands attention. The aggressive front fascia, with its signature Panamericana grille and sharply cut LED headlights, makes a bold first impression. The long hood and fastback silhouettes stay true to the AMG GT's Grand Tour DNA, but with even more refinement and a touch of futuristic elegance. In white, every curve and contour pops under the light, emphasizing the car's muscular stance while also giving it a sense of purity and precision. The 2026 model isn't just about aesthetics, it's a testament to the evolution of performance. Under the hood lies a hand-built 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 engine that delivers a blistering 585 horsepower and 590 pound-feet of torque, launching this beast from 0 to 60 in just 3.2 seconds. Mated to a responsive 9-speed AMG speedshift transmission, gear changes are seamless, giving you raw power exactly when you want it. Whether you're cruising the highway or attacking corners on a mountain road, the AMG GT feels planted, agile, and in complete control, thanks to adaptive suspension and active aerodynamics that adjust to your driving style in real time. Slip inside the cabin and you're greeted by a blend of race-inspired luxury and cutting-edge tech. The interior of the white AMG GT is dressed in premium Napa leather, brushed aluminum, and carbon fiber accents, creating an environment that's both sporty and sophisticated. The AMG Performance seats offer perfect bolstering for spirited driving, while still providing long-distance comfort. Every touchpoint feels intentional, from the thick, flat-bottomed steering wheel with integrated controls to the turbine-style air vents that give the cabin a high-performance jet vibe. The digital cockpit features a high-resolution 12.3-inch instrument display and an equally crisp central touchscreen, both customizable to show everything from performance data to navigation. MBUX, Mercedes' AI-powered infotainment system, has been updated for 2026 to be even more intuitive. Voice commands are faster, smarter, and more natural, allowing you to control most vehicle functions without taking your hands off the wheel. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are, of course, standard, and the premium Burmester surround sound system turns every drive into a private concert experience. Safety and driver assistance features are top tier as well. The 2026 AMG GT comes loaded with the latest in Mercedes-Benz intelligent drive technology, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and a new predictive active brake assist system. There's also a 360-degree camera system for full situational awareness in tight spaces and city streets. But what truly sets this white AMG GT apart isn't just the performance numbers or the tech, it's the way it makes you feel. It's the thrill of hearing that V8 rumble to life, the adrenaline rush of taking a corner just right, the serenity of cruising with the windows down on a clear night, and the confidence of knowing you're in a machine that's engineered to perfection. This is not just a car, it's a statement, a symbol of status, taste, and an unrelenting desire for the best. And when it's dressed in white, the AMG GT takes on a new persona, clean, bold, and undeniably powerful. It's a car that turns heads without even trying, a rare blend of elegance and aggression that few manufacturers can match. For 2026, Mercedes-AMG hasn't just improved the GT, they've elevated it. Every detail, from the revised aerodynamics to the upgraded suspension tuning and lightweight alloy wheels, contributes to a driving experience that's exhilarating, luxurious, and unforgettable. Whether you're a longtime AMG enthusiast or someone stepping into the world of high-performance luxury for the first time, the white 2026 AMG GT offers something truly special. It's a car that doesn't just perform, it inspires. It doesn't just move, it moves you. So if you're looking for a vehicle that represents the perfect fusion of art and engineering, look no further. The 2026 Mercedes-AMG GT is here, and in white, it's more than just a sports car, it's a legend in motion.